Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, you know, we do a weekly show talking about the Villas at Bolivar, and we were able to make a trip out to the several of their locations, the new development here on Bolivar, and we were able to go out and shoot the two-bedroom model that they have out at the Villas at Rollover Bay, and that's what we're going to showcase today. And we're also going to talk about some specials that they have going on. You know, the Villas at Rollover Bay was their first development down here, and it sold out in 3 months. And times have changed a little bit, but the sales are still going strong and the deals are hot. Where else can you get a custom-built beach home for $254,999. I'm looking on their website right now. And it's a great location, easy access to the beach, and the view of the intercoastal, and as the sun sets at Villas at Bolivar, is going to be unbelievable. Now, this development's just started. They've got, as you can see, they've got quite a few homes started. And phase 1 sold out quick. Phase 2 only has about 1 or 2 homes left in it. And then they'll open up phase 3, but don't wait, because these things are hot items. And it's a great home and gets you down here at the beach, a place to stay, a place you can call your own on Bolivar Peninsula. Now, they have 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom homes. And the 2 and 3 bedroom are the most popular. In fact, if you get the 3-bedroom with the loft upstairs, you've actually have about 1,500 square feet, from my understandings. And so this makes a great opportunity to get a second home or your primary home. The other thing is, for investors, this is where you want to be. This is the price point that you can actually make some money, from my understanding. And the rentals that they've had down at Villas at Rollover Bay have been phenomenal, because once again, they have easy access to the beach. And so if you're looking for a new beach house, maybe an investment property, and I use that strongly because you can't get into a beach house down here at this price point, price per square foot, anywhere that I know of. They've really done the homework. They've studied. The houses are laid out phenomenally well, and the construction is first class. And so if you're looking for a home, maybe a second home, maybe you want to get into investment properties, this is the place to be. As you can see, these are some great homes. We had a chance to go out and fly the 2-bedroom last week, and so that's what you're seeing here. We also took Coastal One out to the site, and you've been seeing some of the homes being built. They've got the guys going, they're putting underground in, they're putting building homes, and the amenities this is going to have is unbelievable. I believe they're going to have a pickleball court, but what I was eyeballing is the pool, the playground, and just the layout of Villas at Bolivar. So if you're looking for a new home, maybe you're ready to get into some investment property, this is definitely a place you need to look and check out and go tour their homes. You can find them online at villasatbolivar.com. Their contact information's there, photos, floor plans, site plans, the amenities, and everything. They even talk a little bit about the previous project, Villas at Rollover Bay, and those actually sold out in 90 days. So anyway, we're going to head on out. We just wanted to let you see what it looked like, how it was going, and the newest development on the Upper Texas coast, affordable development on the Upper Texas coast, Villas at Bolivar. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.